Welcome to my channel.
But I love it.
The 2017 Keep Away from Challenger GT is a muscle automobile for all conditions. A brand new England winter isn't exactly the right backdrop for a check drive of door muscle automobile, however this is exactly where we located ourselves with Keep Away from's today's Challenger GT. On the other hand, Challenger GT isn't exactly your regular muscle automobile, while the whole lot else in its segment is rear-wheel power. The Challenger GT makes use of an all-wheel power system borrowed from the Charger sedan, meaning the GT can go where no Challenger has long gone before, head-on into iciness. Antique dog, new tricks. Positioned bluntly, the rear-wheel power Challenger is lousy inside the snow. And we know this from first-hand experience. The first time we ever drove, or more accurately, tried to drive, a Dodge Challenger was within the winter of 2009. Rapidly after our Challenger RT tester arrived in our driveway, old guy wintry weather confirmed up and dropped some inches of snow accompanied by a coating of ice. Whilst just about the whole lot else on the street managed to deal with the slick conditions, the Challenger couldn't even get out of its parking spot. However, Circumvent is now addressing the Challengers, and the entire pony car phase's Achilles heel with a new all-wheel pressure alternative within the shape of the GT. It can sound odd, but there is now a Challenger that you may force your spherical and bloodless weather states. How they do it? The Challenger GT's recipe consists of a touch of this and a touch of that from the stay clear of components bin. The Challenger GT's all-wheel drive machine is clucked from the Charger sedan while its suspension is lifted from the Charger Pursuit utilized by regulation enforcement agencies. But do not think about the Challenger GT as truly a Charger AWD with two fewer doors.